All right, class. Today we are going to be talking about shapes. So I put in a little video that you guys can watch just to kind of refresh before you get started. To kind of remember what all the shapes are and kind of get a little refresher in there. So whenever you're ready, you can start. We have 9 questions that you guys will answer, and I will keep track along the way. So let's see. So on this one, I want you guys to draw a shape that has 3 vertices and 3 side lengths. So, oh man, I can see that Trinity here started out really good and then she kind of got a little crazy with those squiggles. But I can see your triangle in there, which is perfect because a shape that has 3 vertices and 3 side lengths is a triangle. So perfect, I see that you drew your little blue one down here. And Brett, that one looks perfect. Now it looks like we're just waiting on Destiny. Go on to the next one. So let's see. Brett did a great job on this one. So this one says, select all shapes that have 4 sides. Oh, good job. I see that you changed it. Very good. Good job. Go back to this one. Oh, very good, Destiny. So I see that you got that nice, good triangle in there that has 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3, and the 3 side lengths, 1, 2, 3. Awesome, and it looks like you guys all got the second one correct. Way to go. Let's see. So it says, circles and over have 0 vertices. Is that true or false? And you guys all put true. Very good job. On number 4. So this one says, what are the characteristics of a square? So I see that 2 of you, let's see, 2 students, good. So it looks like Destiny had a little bit of trouble with this one. So I'm going to have Destiny go back because a square does not have 2 pairs of opposite sides. So I want to go back and look at that one, Destiny. And then this one says which 2 shapes are the same. So I'll show you what that one looked like. So here we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. So as you can see, C and F have the same. They are a square. So we'll see what they chose. So it looks like they put E in there, which was that rectangle. So we'll work on, the rectangle has the 2 opposite pairs. So we'll just keep working on that. Good, draw an oval. Perfect. Good job, Brett and Destiny. Trinity's was a little bit more round, but I can still see that she was going for that oval shape. This one says, what is something you use every day that is a rectangle? Perfect. One of them said their phone, which is perfect because the top and the bottom are the same lengths, and then the 2 sides are the same length. And then a door, they always walk through the door, which is perfect. And a window, good job. So sometimes windows can be square and sometimes they can be rectangular. All right, and it says our rectangles and triangles are the same, which is false. So all 3 students got that one, so that is perfect. And then on the last one, it says draw your favorite shape. So it looks like Brett over here drew our rhombus. Destiny drew a star and a line. I'm not sure where the line comes from, but even though we didn't talk about the star, a star is still a shape. And it looks like Trinity did the pentagon, which is perfect. So you guys did an excellent job with this review. So great job, class.